You imagine an elephant sneezing rapidly. Have you ever heard of a sneezing elephant? Me neither, till I read Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Did you know this book by Mo Williams? The elephant sneezes so loud he blew his friend away. I like this book because his friend was flying because he sneezed. You can find this book at the Bobcat Library. I hope you like this book as much as I do.